In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multi-person scheduling with Calendly. We'll walk through creating a round-robin event so meetings can be shared across a team without back and forth. Start by opening your Calendly dashboard and choosing to create a new event type. This begins a fresh template where we'll define how the meeting should be scheduled and who can host it. When prompted for the event type, choose round robin. Round robin means that when someone books, Calendly checks all listed hosts' availability and automatically assigns the meeting to one person, distributing bookings across the team. It's perfect for sales, support, or any group that needs a fair, fast way to route meetings to whoever is free. Give your event a clear, descriptive name. Think about what the invitee should immediately understand from the title, like the purpose and who it's for. A clear name helps invitees feel confident they're booking the right thing and makes internal filtering easier later. Next, set the meeting duration. Click into duration and select the length that fits your use case, whether that's 15 or 60 minutes. Be realistic about how much time you typically need, and remember that shorter meetings are easier to slot into a busy day. If you rely on prep or follow-up time, keep that in mind as you choose. Now, add your team. Open the host section and add a co-host. Then select the teammates who should be part of this round robin. For the smoothest experience, make sure each host has connected their calendar in Calendly and is using the correct time zone. That way, Calendly can see true availability and avoid double bookings. Set where the meeting will take place. Click location, then choose set location for all, so every host uses the same location type. For example, select Google Meet. Using a single, consistent location ensures invitees always get the right conferencing details, no matter which host is assigned. Calendly will generate the meeting link from the assigned host calendar, keeping everything organized and secure. Apply your selection to confirm the location choice. You'll see that the location is now locked in and consistent across the event for all hosts. Finally, create the event to save your settings. Your round-robin event type is now ready. When someone books through this link, Calendly will automatically check pooled availability, assign the meeting to an available host, and send the right confirmation with the meeting details. That's how you streamline multi-person scheduling without the manual coordination. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, set up your team's first round robin event and enjoy easier, smarter scheduling.